take a look the souvenir.
Oh,
They
take
sell some.
souvenir lah.
Much better lah.
Yeah lah, we go to souvenir.
And also got outlet
Yeah.
lah,
Yeah, the
toys lah.
floors is wet.
This one now, Nansen why?
Ah, yeah.
Very
But it's
good.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's nice because it's so unique.
Yeah, it's wet.
Yeah, but how to
Yeah.
do?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
We
Only
have
spend
no
like 20
clothes
minutes
to
to
change.
here lah.
Yeah, sure.
20 minutes.
Okay, we go to another place again. That's I like it. I like it. I like it. Wow.
Can leave it at the bus.
Ako na. Labas ang titi ng kabayo. Ah.
Ayan, hawak mo tignan.
Hindi natulian. Nakita yung ano, kapatid mo. Hmm. Ako dete.
Can you take picture for both of you? Yeah.
Photo po. Two of us first.
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. One, two. Okay.
Thank you,
Makasih. Hanap tayo ng...
Kau kagulo.
Ha?
Solo mo.
Sulo ko?
Solo yan. Yeah.
Tama na.
Siglo, see?
What? Ngipin lang yung
pati
nakabarang.
Kabayo, nakuha.
Kabayo.
Hindi yung massage.
Dadalhin naman tayo doon. So, it's up to you. Shopping or massage.
Ate, tingin tayo ng souvenir.
Okay? Go ahead, Flo.
Yung pandikit sa rep. Grabe naman.
Ano yan? Pambukat ng
Ano, Flo? Yung mga... dito?
Yung sticker.
Bumili na ako.
May Singapore naman dyan.
No, may Indonesia din. Batam, hot rock. Batam.
Ano yung maganda? Ito, Batam, Indonesia. Magkano isa? 20%.
Oh, okay. This is the sample. Sorry. Yeah, okay.
May Singapore din.
Hello. Welcome to Batam.
40? 400. Ito ate yung ano tanong mo kanina.
This one black color.
Tanggalin mo yung tatlong zero. So that means
Kung 20%,
20% discount. Oh, okay. May 20% pa.
550.
after discount, before discount.
20% from how much? One.
Yeah, $5.
550.
Yeah.
34,000.
Kaya na, isa lang. Bigay ko lang kay ano.
Kanina.
Kay Jerry.
Punta dito, nakita ko to eh.
Kitchen pala to. Ate ito lang.
Okay.
Magkano bali?
Never mind. 55 is $4.
Oh,
$5 nga. Okay, never mind. Let's buy. Kasi may pangalan naman Batam.
kaya nga.
Oh, bon.
Bigay ko rin kay ano to.
Kay Mare.
Vivian.
55 lahat. Ito naman ay ano magkano. Ganon din.
Yeah, pareho nga.
$15. Oh, wala na matitira ng pera. Ito na lang, dalawa.
Pangbukas na ano. No, may ano ka. 300,000.
Marami pa tayong bibilhin.
And this one white color.
Oh,
Some like
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Wow, thank you very much. Need that white. This is gray.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I need white. Okay. Thank you.
Ano nating maganda? Arrange sa tatlo. Are?
Magnet ba siya?
Yeah.
Okay. Yan na.
Hindi, wag na lang ate. Wag na lang arang bilog. Ito na lang.
Oh, okay.
Please, I don't want this. Thank you. Bilog. Dito kami sa souvenir shop.